Hey guys, hope you all well. You've seen already the title, you know exactly what we're gonna be talking about. And because we're gonna be talking about the skincare products that actually work for my super sensitive skin, I suffer from rosacea. My skin looks good at the moment, so fingers crossed. I do have occasional adult acne breakouts. I noticed I started getting a bit of wrinkles popping up. I found a few products which are super affordable, it's all cruelty free and vegan friendly, and it seemed to be working for my problematic and super sensitive skin. So fingers crossed this would work for you as well. So I'm not wearing any makeup at the moment. I mean, I have a brow pen on, so I use the Makeup Obsession So Fine Brow Pen in dark brown. And then for the lips, I use the Revolution XX in a color ticket. Alright, without any further ado, let's start. So I think I'm gonna start from face washes. It's so important to wash your face. I said it before, I'm gonna say this again. Not only to clean a makeup, this is a totally different part, removing a makeup, but to actually wash your face morning and evening. Like, I have super oily skin. I don't know if I mentioned this, and if you following me for a while, you probably know this already. So it's important just to take it all that gunk off the skin. I try to mix my face washes as well, so I use one in the morning, one in the evening, swapping around. I don't go with the same one. I currently really like this one by Natural Instinct. It's Pink Clay Cleanser, cleans, detox, and brighten, rich in silica, minerals, and antioxidants, 100% free of harmful chemicals. So it's basically a pink clay, like your mask would be. It's a face wash. It kind of foams a bit, and afterwards, like, the skin feels so good and it smells lovely. If you like a clay smell, I do. I don't know where. So yeah, really like this face wash, and it's very gentle. So I like to use this in the morning because during winter, at least where I live, is winter and the heating is on and all. I feel like my skin gets a little bit more irritated by the things than it would be during the summer, because the window side, the heating inside, this temperature difference and all. So this is more gentle to start your day, I think. Another face wash that I really like is actually by the Superdrug. Super affordable, super cheap. They have like a different ranges of the different products targeted for different, skin problems and so on. So this one is a tea tree skincare, and it's a foaming facial wash that cleanses and purifies, helping deliver a revitalized, clearly looking complexion with natural tea tree and peppermint oils. Now, tea tree is amazing if you have problematic skin and you have occasional acne breakouts or you suffer from acne. Tea tree is your friend. To be honest, I've been using this for a very long time now. I think I mentioned this in my previous videos when I talked about the skincare products that I use and that I've been obsessed with. That's a product that's on my list for a very long time. Another face wash that I've been really liking, surprisingly. Alright, so this one is by the My London. It's a lavender foaming cleanser, and what I love about it, that is 100% organic. So it's made only from organic ingredients. There's no nastiness or anything like this. It literally smells like lavenders. I love to use it before sleep just because it's so relaxing. The lavender smell is a foaming gel. See? If only you can smell it, because it smells literally like lavender. Okay, let's move on to the face serums, I think, and then we can go for the creams. So I don't use face serums in the mornings. I only use face serum in the evening. So I would double wash my face, double clean the makeup off. Then I would go with one of these items. Then I would go with the serum and then cream, sometimes double my creams depending on what it is, and I'll tell you in a second why, because you're like, what on earth, why you need so many products? Well, give me a second. Once I wash my face, I let it dry. Like, I use a towel to tap it gently off. Never rub your towel, because that would just irritate the skin. Especially I have super sensitive skin, so rubbing your towel would just make worse and my rosacea would just go crazy. I'm gonna start from this one, which is actually not really a serum. Is by Dr. Somchai Acne Plus Lotion, the acne control or reduce excess oil, smoothing skin, oil-free, paraben-free, colorant-free. Very waterly, you see? So this is perfect to use after face wash. I just basically squeeze a bit and gently tap on my skin. This works so good when I have acne breakouts, you guys. I can't even, yeah, this is gold, pure gold in a little bottle. So once this would dry off, I don't use this daily, by the way. I only use this if I would get acne breakouts, or if I feel that, you know, I'm getting a pimple. Like sometimes you can feel it's under, like it would, you know what I mean? If I'm using it, I will let it dry for like 2-3 minutes. Always give at least 2-3 minutes in between products to let it, you know, soak in. Then I would go with the serum. So I have 3 serums in here, different brands, all affordable. First one is by the brand called Refuele, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, I have no idea. Beauty and Care face serum with hemp seed extract and aloe vera. Alright, so this serum I use if my rosacea is inflamed like crazy and my skin is like screaming. If you have rosacea like I do, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. My skin behaves today so good, I'm like, don't want to jinx it. Alright, so this brand, because it has hemp seed oil and aloe vera, it works like a dream to calm the skin. It literally feels like, any sense. So if you have super sensitive skin, if your skin being distressed for some kind of reason, you suffer from rosacea or even acne for that matter, get your hands on this one. I got this from TK Maxx. TK Maxx being a gold place for that kind of products. Or TJ Maxx if you're in the States, guys. Try this for yourselves and let me know if it works for you or not, because my skin loves it. As I said, I don't use all products in one go because that would just too much and that wouldn't make sense and the product couldn't work as much as it could be used on its own. Another serum that I really like, and I almost finished it off. Actually, all these serums that I'm showing are almost finished and I need to get my hands on new ones. This one is by a brand called Teami and it's Vit C tea infused serum with hibiscus and vitamin C. Now this serum, I talked about this before, it's perfect if you have sensitive skin like I do, and it's infused with vitamin C, therefore it gives you that, I want to say instant glow, but it's not an instant glow because it's not the highlight or anything, but your skin feels like it's glowing. Not in a bad way, like I mean I have oily skin, I don't like that oily glow look. It just kind of gives that natural glow, very healthy looking skin glow. So I actually use this morning and evening. I know I said I don't like to use serums in the morning, but this just gives that the glow kind of effect. So I think this is even better in the morning rather than in the evening. And as you see, I've been using this so much, is just a tiny drop left. Another serum that I've been really loving is by Revolution Skincare. It's 15% niacinamide first strength formula, blemish refining and moisturizing serum. If you haven't heard of niacinamide yet, better Google it now after watching this video. Basically, what is niacinamide? It's perfect if you have acne prone skin, as it fights against all that gunkness and all this bacteria from, you know, spreading and working and creating a new breakouts and so on. So basically healing your skin. If you have problematic skin and, you know, occasional acne breakouts, or you're suffering from acne, invest your money and get niacinamide. This was like, Revolution is not expensive in general. You can get niacinamide from different brands. I don't use niacinamide in the morning or anything. I only would use this in the evening because I want this to work and I don't want to add more products on or anything. So I would use, you know, face wash, one of the face washes, let my skin dry, wait a few minutes, then I would go with a serum, give another 5-10 minutes, especially well now, you know, at home, at least most of us, because of the lockdowns and, you know, the situation going on in the world, we kind of can afford now more to invest in our self-care. Self-care is the most important love out there, isn't it, guys? Moving on from the serums to the creams. Now I have a few in here. I'm gonna start from the ones that I would use in the morning. I do like to exercise in the mornings, right? So I would wake up, I would wash my face. So usually I would use this one to start my day, to wash my face, or even the tea tree one, and then I would go with this Revolution Mattify Boost Niacinamide Mattifying Cream. So once again, niacinamide, very important part if you have problematic skin. I like to apply this cream in the morning before I go to do my exercise routine, because first of all it's mattifying, second of all it has this niacinamide which is so good for skin, especially, you know, because I know that I'm gonna be working out, sweating, and I don't want my pores to be clogged or anything. So the fact that this has niacinamide and would actually help my skin, improve my skin and all, that's why I use this prior I work out. So usually I take like an hour to work out. Before I start working out, I always have a shot of turmeric. I can do a video about it if you guys wanna know more about this topic. Then I would take a shower, wash my face right, take a shower. Never wash your face with hot water. Try to use colder water or lukewarm lukewarm water, because your skin don't need to be, irritated more than it naturally is. Try to use non-aggressive face wash for that as well. So after that, I would use another face cream, because this one already did its job and I washed my face, so I don't want to leave it just where it is. I want to apply something else. I actually recently just found this cream. It's by Superdrug again. Superdrug been really surprising me with their creams and face washes and all, because it's just so good. So this one is called Optimum Retinol Day Cream. This is how it looks. It's very light as well. It's not very heavy, therefore it's a day cream, because you want to later apply your foundation, and also you don't want kind of greasy thing on your face. And my oily skin loves it, so that's another huge plus. Now, for those of you who don't know what retinol is, so retinol originally was created to fight the acne breakouts and to fight, proper cystic acne and so on. And then during the trials, they find out that it actually worked as a magic for reducing the appearance of wrinkles, and this is when they started advertising this for reducing wrinkles, because it's a bigger market than acne breakouts, right? Like, wrinkles is kind of problem for everyone, rather than acne breakouts would be just a small group of people that would suffer from it. So they decided to actually market the retinol as the solution for fighting against premature aging and premature wrinkles, reducing the appearance and wrinkles and so on. So what I want to say, if you have super problematic skin, acne breakouts and so on, and you are noticing that you start getting some, wrinkles then there, or you want to prevent premature wrinkles or anything like this, retinol is your friend. You can treat two things with one product, which is retinol. And this one by Superdrug is super affordable, and oh my god, this works so good. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but look at my skin. Like, no product on. Nothing, just cream, this cream. Today I put this on in the morning. My skin looks so good, like, don't you agree, guys? And I have problematic skin. If you've been following my channel for a while, you guys seen me looking not my best, if I can say so. Moving on to the nighttime creams, I have two creams that I really like, and these creams I would apply after I washed my face, had a toner if I go for that, and then a serum, one of these serums. Let it all soak in, give like 5-10 minutes break in between. Don't go with everything at the same time, because then your face would be like, what's going on, there's too many things, I don't know what's happening. Okay, so then I would go or with this one, which is again by Superdrug. You guys gotta go Superdrug. It's overnight jelly, lightweight and cooling to help your skin feel refreshed after sleep, with natural tea tree, peppermint oils, witch hazel and aloe vera. Once again, I would use this if my skin been really unhappy, my rosacea been inflamed, I have, acne breakouts, or feel like I'm about to have it, because you kind of can feel sometimes that it's, happening under your skin, and yeah. So then I would have this. It actually feels very cooling, so it's like a jelly, smells like peppermint, which is amazing. It's very lightweight, you can't really feel it as a cream, but it feels very cooling, depending on my skin condition that day. So if my skin is super irritated and just not happy with anything, I would just go with this. Sometimes I will give another 15 minutes break and then add the heavier cream, which would be really moisturizing and refreshing and all. So this one is once again by Superdrug, the Optimum Retinol Nighttime Cream. So I have a daytime cream because I love daytime cream so much, because I got it first. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get the night cream as well, because why not? This one though is way much thicker than the daytime one is. I already told you what retinols were made for and how good it is. So in the morning after this cream, I feel like my skin been rejuvenated, like fresh glow on the face, like literally. I mean, I got one more cream which I only use in the evening because it's very thick consistency. It's by Malandan again. This is a bit pricier. So it's a hemp moisturizer. Once again, we only use natural organic ingredients, no nastiness in this or anything. So this cream is very thick. Can you see how thick it is? So it's a hemp cream, right? So therefore it relaxes your skin once again if it's irritated. It has rosemary in here as well, so it smells just so refreshing. But can you see how thick it is? It's like proper thick cream. Like, can you just see this? But because I have such an oily skin, I use just a tiny bit on a wet face, because it's hemp moisturizer. It relaxes the skin as well, so my skin been really loving it, and as I said before, I have super problematic skin. Alright, I got one more product. Is another face wash lotion cream. It's actually anti-spot stick because I have acne prone skin and I do get occasionally like hormonal acne, like this one in here is almost healed up. You just still see marks like discoloration on the skin, but there's no actual spots in here anymore. So I like to use this one by Superdrug. Once again, I'm obsessed with Superdrug, am I? It's the anti-spot stick. Looks like a gel, and what it does, you apply this directly on the spot, acne breakout or whatever it is, leave it to dry, kind of covers your spot with this like thick coat gel which dries off and kind of sucks all the gunk out, and then here goes your pimple or acne breakout. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried any of these products, if it works for you, and if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I feel like I'm mentioning this in every single video, but it's really important if you do so, as you will support my channel a lot and it doesn't cost you a penny. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye! Have a good day, guys. Ciao!